Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Acorns for saving money, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Acorns, first, download the Acorns app from your device's app store. Create an account by providing your email address and setting a password. Next, fill in your personal information, including your name, birth date, and address. Acorns will ask for information about your financial situation, such as your income and spending habits. Once you've entered that information, Acorns will help you determine your investment profile. Choose your investment preferences based on your risk tolerance, from conservative to aggressive. Next, link your bank account to the app to enable Round UPS. Round UPS are a feature where Acorns rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the change. You can customize which accounts to link and adjust the roundup settings as needed. Acorns offers a recurring investment option, allowing you to set a specific amount to invest on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Explore the Found Money section where you can earn money from brands when you shop through them. After setting up your account, take some time to explore the Acorns features, including the educational resources. Monitor your investments through the app to see how they grow over time. You can also review your spending and saving habits with the personalized insights provided by Acorns. If you ever have questions, utilize the help section for support or access FAQs. Keep your app updated to ensure you have the latest features and security measures in place. That's it. You are now ready to start saving and investing with Acorns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.